Hi, guys, welcome to the session of Structured Query Language, the language of Relational Database Management System. It is used to interact and communicate with the relational database. Select query is used to retrieve selected data from the database table. It returns a set of records that satisfy a given condition. It can also sort the results set on a given field or fields in ascending or descending order. The select query in general has the following syntax. The use of square bracket indicates optional parameters to select query. That is used if required. The expression parameter is used to specify columns or fields or calculated fields to be retrieved from the table. To retrieve all columns from table, use select asterisks. The table parameter specifies the name of a table from which data is to be retrieved. Multiple table names will come in case data is distributed in multiple tables. Where clause is optional, it specifies a condition. Only those records or tuple will be retrieved that satisfy the specified condition. Even multiple conditions can be specified. The set of records termed as a result set can be sorted on a single of multiple fields using order by clause with select query. The sorting can be done in ascending or descending order. Now, let's check some questions on SQL select query. The vendor table with some records is given. The aim is writing SQL queries based on the question. The queries are written assuming that the table with the given records exists in the database. Here the SQL queries is to be written for each of the questions. Write a SQL command to display the records in ascending order by date of exam. To select all the records, use select asterisk. To sort the records by date of exam column, use order by clause. ASC is optional here, as default sorting order is ascending only. Write a query to display the above date sheet. Since all records from the vendor table is to be displayed, therefore, the query will be select asterisk from vendor. Write a query to display the subject name and date of the exam held on Monday. The column subject name and date of exam is required, so in select query these column names separated by comma will come. The condition is exam held on Monday. Remember to put text field in single quotes. Write a SQL command to display the date of exam and sub_name of science subject. The columns date of exam and subject name will come as select expression clause. The condition is that subject name should be science. One can test practically these questions by using online SQL compiler. However, to test these queries, a table with the given records to be created. The table vendor is created with create table command. The given record in the datasheet is inserted in vendor table created with the insert query. Select asterisk from vendor query can be used to check the table created with the records. Now, let's test the queries required for the given question one by one. Also observe the returned results set once the query is executed. Observe the records in ascending order by date of exam. To sort in ascending order, ASC parameter is used. To sort in descending order, use desk. Observe, this query displays all columns and records from the vendor table. Observe, this query displays the subject name and date of the exam held on Monday. Observe, this query displays the date of exam and subject name of science subject. So you can also test queries online without actually installing and using RDBMS. Come on, let's try one more question. The table is sales with the given records as can be seen in the table. The table has 4 fields, that is columns in the table, and there are 4 records. Write a query to display sales ID and price of all products whose discount is more than 1,000. The column sales ID and price is to be displayed, therefore will come expression list of select query. The condition is that the discount must be greater than 1,000. Write a SQL query to display the details alphabetically by product name. The order by clause is to be used to sort records by product name. Write a query to display product name and sales price after deducting the discount from the price. This query requires a calculated field, sales price. The sales price is computed as price minus discount. The is clause to give a name to the calculated field. The number of fields is equal to the number of columns in the table. The number of records is equal to the number of rows in the table excluding the column header row. The number of fields are 4 as well as the number of records are also 4. Recall the syntax of the SQL select query. Expressions, columns required. Tables, the name of the table from which to retrieve. Where, to limit records retrieved. Order by clause, to sort results, set records in either ascending or descending order on one or more field or column. To test queries, the sales table is created with the create table command. The records are inserted into the table with the insert query. To test the created table, run the query, select asterisk from sales. Write a query to display sales ID and price of all products whose discount is more than 1,000. The two columns sales ID and price will come in select expressions. The table is sales and where clause condition is discount greater than 1,000. Observe, the result set with only required columns or fields. The condition limits the number of rows or records being displayed. Write a query to display the details alphabetically by product name. The result set is sorted on the product name field. Observe, the result is sorted. Write a SQL query to display product name and sales price after deducting the discount from the price. The AS clause is used to give name to the calculated field. If not used, the calculated field formula will appear in the results set as a result of the query execution. Thank you for watching the video. Check the details section for more information.